Today, our Read Aloud 2 activity is beginning sound scavenger hunt. And before I introduce or I review the sounds, I'm going to sing a little song to get your focus. Do you know these letter sounds? Do you know these letter sounds? They will help you learn to read. They will help you learn to read. Now we're going to review the letter sounds that we are focusing on today. This letter is the letter B. B says B. Watch my mouth. B. D says D. M says P says P. S says S. T says T. R says R. F says F. So we just reviewed the letter sounds. Now, what I would like for you to do today is to do your scavenger hunt around your home and find objects that makes these sounds. You don't have to do all the sounds, but if you want to, you can, but you don't have to do all the sounds. You can do pick 5 of the sounds to do, or you can pick all of the sounds to do. It's your choice. So I have found some objects that make the letter sounds. So let's take a look at the objects I found at my home. The first object I found is a bottle. The next object makes the D sound. D, dog. The next object makes the sound. And that sound, I have chosen a map. A map makes the sound. Map. For map. For the P sound, P, I have chosen a, let's see what I have. I have chosen a pot. Pot. For the S sound, I have chosen a spoon. A spoon. For the T sound, I have chosen a toolbox. Toolbox. And in my toolbox, I have a tool. A type of tool. All these objects I found around my house. I found them in my home. The next sound is and I have found a type of vegetable called a rutabaga. Rutabaga. Flower. A flower. And boys and girls, I hope that you will look around your house and you will find things that makes these particular letter sounds. So have fun on your scavenger hunt. Until next time, keep making those letter sounds. Do you know your letter sounds? Do you know your letter sounds? They will help you learn to read. They will help you learn to read.